Today for the Bitcoin price, look at this guys, Bitcoin decided to break down out of this falling wedge, the less likely scenario. However, Bitcoin perfectly hit our price target and got the long awaited bounce here with a higher low for Bitcoin. So the question right now of course remains, is Bitcoin still bullish here? Are we going to break out above this specific very important price level to reach an even higher price target I am going to mention in this video? Or is Bitcoin eventually going to break down once again and go below this very important threshold for Bitcoin to hold? Well, I want to be talking about that. I want to be talking about whether we are going to reach my price target here all the way up here. But also Ethereum, as you remember, 15 days ago in this video, I was actually calling at the levels around the $400 levels for the price target of $580 to hit. And as you can see guys, this is not even funny anymore. Ethereum perfectly, but really perfectly hit my price target I was mentioning 2 weeks ago. The question of course right now remains, are we going to go higher? Is Ethereum going to hit my next bullish price target here towards the upside? I want to be talking about that. I want to be talking about my next trades for Bitcoin and Ethereum and what I am doing right now with my trades here on Phemex. My other trade over on Phemex here, and of course also my trade over here on Bybit. Also, if you want to be trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, well guys, perfect timing. In the pinned comment down below, I have a $1,290 combined bonus. This is the highest bonus here on Bybit and Phemex. I am trading on both of these exchanges. If you're clicking these links, you are making an account within like 20-25 seconds. You can get with these deposit schedules here $1,290 for your Bitcoin and Ethereum trading completely for free in our pinned comment for experienced traders. So make sure you watch this video until the very end, where I'm going to drop to you all my price targets, all my trades and my expectations for Bitcoin and Ethereum right now in the immediate short term. And also guys, look at this. Yesterday's video got 58,000 views. You are completely record breaking. It's not me, it is you engaging with the videos, liking the video, commenting, sharing it with your friends. You can see it right now here in the numbers. Because of you, we are getting so many views and we are growing as no one else here. It is completely crazy. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, welcome friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see here, yesterday I was talking about this falling wedge. And I was also talking about how the breakout to the upside is statistically here more likely. However, Bitcoin broke down, which is the less likely scenario. But what you can see here is our bearish measured move price target I mentioned yesterday was hit here. So everyone who traded the breakdown, I didn't do it as I announced before as well, perfectly got hit here the price target. And this is the good news. Bitcoin got the bounce here. And you know what? Before I continue here, I want to show you this little clip here from yesterday where I was talking about that. A breakdown is much more unlikely here, but of course it is still possible. But the good news here is, in case we would be breaking down and in case we would be getting here to our bearish price target, which is actually not all too far down. It is approximately at $17,800. If I were to go over to the 4-hourly candles, you can see that Bitcoin would remain in this bullish trend. Bitcoin would still form a higher low for Bitcoin in case we are getting a bounce there. And as you can see, Bitcoin broke down and it hit our price target here. What I was mentioning yesterday, as you remember, is that if we are getting a bounce here, that this is a very bullish sign for Bitcoin. Because if you look at the exact price level we bounced from, this is approximately the $17,600 level. And if I were to zoom out a little bit, I was mentioning before how important it is for Bitcoin to bounce above these levels here. And we did it. So far, Bitcoin is remaining within the bullish structure. And what I want to tell you right now is that we have this range here, which is extremely important for Bitcoin. Because in case we are going lower and even closing below the previous low, the likelihood significantly increases for Bitcoin to change here the structure, at least in the micro time frames, and to go a little bit more bearish here. In case we are knocking out, and this is obviously Captain Obvious, the previous high here approximately at the $19,000 level, a little bit below, then I would actually be looking still out for the next price target to hit. And because we are in this right now, this is a non-trading zone for me, I am standing on the sidelines. I took some profits and I am keeping some more open for the longer term. I want to tell you exactly where I will be opening my next new trade and what my game plan is for Bitcoin right now. Before I want to talk about the specific price target we can hit actually in case we are knocking out the previous high I was just talking about a minute ago. And as you can see here, this is still in alignment, in perfect alignment with the measured move price target from this wick of accumulation pattern of $20,300. I would always take profits before, even before the previous all-time high at 19,700. But the astonishing thing about that is that we mentioned and we called for the price level of $20,000 all the way back here in August, back then when no one was actually believing it. Well, now it is happening, guys, and this is obviously something very amazing. So let's wait and see here and see what direction Bitcoin is actually deciding for. So far we are in the bullish structure. So far we are creating consecutively here higher lows. So there is not a reason to flip bearish. A reason for me to flip bearish would be coming very soon if Bitcoin closes below these levels. Well, in this case, I would be flipping bearish. I would be I would be looking out for taking even more profits here. I will be talking about my trades here later on in the video, but so far we are in the bullish structure, and still statistically here the higher likelihood remains for Bitcoin to break the previous high. But of course, the higher we go, the more likely the blow off top gets, and also the more profits we have to take in our trades. So you know my price targets, you know my expectations for Bitcoin, but more importantly right now, what about Ethereum? Everyone and their mother is talking about Ethereum, and I can understand that because we are seeing a huge pump for Ethereum right now. And as you remember, 14 or 15 days ago, approximately here in this video, I was actually calling at the levels of $400 for this price level to come. I was talking about how breaking this level of $400 is very bullish for me. And at the same time, Vitalik Buterin announcing that Ethereum 2.0 is around the corner right now was putting even more rocket fuel in it. So according to my TA, I was back then calling for the $580 level to happen. And you know what, guys, let me show you. This is a clip here from 2 weeks ago where I was calling for this price level. Look at this. We broke the trend line. Let's call it like this. Then we confirmed the trend line, and Vitalik was so smart to make this Ethereum 2.0 announcement directly here before the breakout. And I was calling, well, I am going into Ethereum right now. I was saying it on Twitter approximately at $405, and of course I did. And of course I am scaling into Ethereum because I was waiting for this moment for such a long time. And you can see after this announcement, after my prediction, also Ethereum went up, exactly hitting my price target at $453. And I already mentioned before, I am also looking out for higher price targets for Ethereum, but this might take a little bit more time. But the next one would actually be, believe it or not, at $576, the next Fibonacci retracement level. Here you have all my plans, all my take profits. And as you can see, within these 2 weeks, Bitcoin exactly went up. And guys, this is not even funny anymore. We got perfectly here at my Fibonacci retracement level. I was actually drawing here from the swing high to the swing low. Maybe there's a few dollars difference if it's not perfectly drawn, but here swing high to the swing low, the 38.2, the exact level I was talking about. And as I already said, this is not even funny anymore because as you can see, we perfectly got the rejection over there. The question right now is, of course, what am I looking out for Ethereum also trading wise? Well, if we are breaking this specific level, you can also trade it against Bitcoin, which is actually trading wise, if you are a fundamental investor, more sensical. I will be talking about the Bitcoin charts against Ethereum also in the future. Right now, I want to talk about this here. And as you can see here, once Ethereum actually breaks above this specific level, the next reasonable price target would be, and this is incredible, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 746. Remember, it's not perfect to the dollar here, $746. And of course, the end game for Ethereum here. And this could take a little bit more time, but who knows, right? But of course, guys, don't get too crazy here. We want to stay objective, and please don't throw all your Bitcoin in. I am myself a few percent of my portfolio invested in Ethereum, so keep that in mind here. The end game for Ethereum here, not the end game, but one of the later games here would be the $904 to $946 level, the Fibonacci golden pocket here. And obviously that would be amazing to see. So far, I am happy. So far, I want to send a big congratulations out to everyone who traded this. And as you remember, we are trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to be trading Bitcoin and Ethereum, well, I have right now, what a good timing, the highest bonus on YouTube, $1,290 combined here on Bybit and Phemex. The good thing is you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins on these platforms. What I'm personally doing is I am signed up on both of these exchanges, and this is only for experienced traders. If you are, go to the pinned comment and click the Bybit and Phemex link. Make an account on both of them. If you ever signed up with our link before, this is still valid for you and you can still get the bonus. If you are a new trader, if you're not signed up with our links here, well, you can still click them in the pinned comment down below. You go to the Bybit link and to the Phemex link. And if you click these links and you make an account with our specific links in the pinned comment, after your deposit schedule, this is the Bybit deposit schedule and below is the Phemex deposit schedule, you can get in total $1,290 for free for your Bitcoin and Ethereum trading. And guys, remember what I told you. Right now, I'm not in a trade. I might be opening a new trade very soon, but right now I am standing on the sidelines. I am still having trades open, but please remember, guys, that we are not rushing into trades. We are waiting for patterns to evolve, and one pattern could be here, maybe possibly a symmetrical triangle or maybe an ascending triangle. Let's wait and see what happens here. We have to let some time pass. But as you remember, I am in trades right now. I am still in a trade in 3 trades on Bitcoin actually, and I am going to open a new trade on Ethereum very soon here. As you can see, this is my trade over on Bitcoin, and this is right now $204,000 in a profit. This is the long-term trade where I'm not going to plan and to take any profits here anytime soon. But I have two short-term trades where I already took half of my profits or even more here. You can see this is my other trade over on Phemex. This is right here, and this is $74,000 in profit, and I already took more than $50,000 in profit. I am going to take more profits here very soon, at least a 50-50 ratio I want over there in this trade. And then also, of course, also I have my trade over on Bybit, which is $143,000 in profit, 900%. And here I have to take some profits also very, very soon. As you remember, I am very cautious right now because one trade on Phemex I already closed a little bit more than 2 weeks ago. I took $180,000 in profit just at the $16,000 level. And I am going to take more profits here at the $18,000 to $19,000 levels, and then at the $20,000 levels. I want to make sure that I am going home with significant profits, and I hope you do as well, because we as an MMCrypto community, we made amazing gains here, and I want to make sure that you take these amazing gains home and that you are not getting all too greedy here. It is crazy. If you go here, yesterday I was mentioning, big shout out to you, 106,000 subscribers. We always get 40 to 50,000 views. Well, let me refresh that, guys, because of you. Look at this, 1,000 subscribers a day now. This is crazy. I mean, we are the fastest growing community here, and we are getting so crazy views. Look at this video here from yesterday. Look at this, 58,000 views, not even within a day. I mean, this is completely crazy, guys. Thank you so much for your support. And you can see that every single like, every comment, every share, you are sharing it on social media. It really helps here. YouTube really recognizes that. And we as an MMCrypto army, we are getting new records time after time here. So I really wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much for that. You are the reason why I have so much joy creating these daily videos for you. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. You know all my game plans here right now for Bitcoin and Ethereum. We will see each other very soon, probably today, latest tomorrow. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching it. As always, guys, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, bye bye.